Hi, my name's Courtney and I'm a postgraduate research student here at the University of South Wales, and my project is all around policing. So I'm looking at the use of special constables during the COVID-19 pandemic. It was definitely a massive change going from undergraduate straight into my PhD. I didn't really have a gap and it was a big change because all of a sudden I didn't have regular classes. All of a sudden I didn't have my classmates with me all the time, and also I had to manage my own time. There was no more classes or little deadlines. So it's been a huge change, but I can say that the support of staff and support of others, and especially in the research school, it has been a good transition. I hope to get accomplishment out of my PhD. I know it's a massive challenge. Doing a PhD is definitely not easy. So the accomplishment of managing to do that is definitely one thing, but also I hope to be able to help contribute to the research in policing. I think there's so much there and so much we can look at. And so to be just that one small part of that contributes towards research within policing is also something that I really want to be able to get out of it as well.